So you're thinking about moving to Baltimore, Maryland? We're so excited to show you some of the awesome neighborhoods and suburbs in and around the Baltimore, Maryland area.
We're going to take you around some of the various neighborhoods, show you a lot of the different features and price points so you can get a feel for what Baltimore, Maryland has to offer.
We hope you stick around to the end, where we always share a little tidbit that you won't find anywhere else about some of the awesome places that we're exploring in and around Baltimore, Maryland.
So you're not going to want to miss this. Let's get out of here. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about Baltimore, Maryland, make sure you subscribe below, hit that notification bell, and you can stay current on everything here in the Baltimore, Maryland market. Baldwin is characterized by its rolling hills, open farmland, wooded areas, and large residential lots. The area offers a peaceful rural environment with plenty of natural beauty, making it a desirable place for those seeking a quieter, more pastoral lifestyle.
Like many parts of the northeastern Baltimore County, Baldwin has a strong agricultural heritage. The community is home to numerous farms that produce a variety of crops, livestock, and dairy products. The landscape is an integral part of Baldwin's identity and contributes to its rural character. Baldwin is primarily residential, with a mix of single-family homes, farms, and estates. Homes of Baldwin often feature large lots and ample space, providing residents with privacy and a connection to nature. The community attracts families, retirees, and individuals looking for a rural living experience.
Baldwin is served by the Baltimore County Public School System. Nearby schools that serve Baldwin residents include Carroll Manor Elementary, Jacksonville Elementary, and Kingsville Elementary. An interesting thing about going to Jacksonville Elementary is that once you graduate and go to the 6th grade, you can either go to middle school in Hereford, or depending on which side of Baldwin you live on, you could be going to Cockeysville and Delaney High School. Then if you go to the other elementary schools, you'll typically find yourself going either to Folsom Middle School and or high school and those nearby public schools.
While Baldwin is predominantly rural, residents have access to several local amenities and attractions. Nearby parks and nature reserves offer opportunities for outdoor recreation like hiking, horseback riding, and even bird watching. The community is also within a short drive of shopping centers, restaurants, and services in neighboring towns such as Falston, Jacksonville, and Towson, and maybe an area you've heard of or come across called Four Corners. The houses are varied in style and price point, so let's check out a few options together. I'm Kelly Schuett.
And I'm Mike Mislinski, and we're with the W Home Group of Next Step Realty.
We get calls and emails every day from people just like you who are thinking about making the move to Baltimore, Maryland, and we love it. We love sharing all of the amazing things that make Baltimore Charm City.
Whether it's 9 days or 90 days, we're here to make your move to Baltimore as smooth as possible.
You can call, text, or email us anytime. All of the information is below. We're so excited to help you on your journey moving towards Baltimore, Maryland, because we love new neighbors and new friends. Welcome.